Hey guys, I'm Victoria. I am a nurse manager here at Willowbrook. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about managing anxiety related to COVID-19, specifically for our parents and kids. The biggest thing about anxiety is talking about it. So talk to each other, talk about why you're upset, talk about the things that you're missing out on, talk about why things are frustrating right now. If you talk about it, it feels a little bit better. Also, limit your news. Limit your access to news. If it's overwhelming to look at the news, then don't look at it. Get your information from a credible source like the Center for Disease Control or the Department of Public Health. That will give you factual information and show you tips for how to keep you and your family safe. Another thing is do meaningful activities together. Spend time de-stressing with each other. Pick up a new hobby. Go exercise together, cook a meal together, do all the fun quarantine things that you've discovered in the last few months that will make that time go by easier. You're safe. You are all in this together. We all have control over small things. So that's another thing. Take control over the things that you can. If going back to school isn't an option in August, figure out a schedule that works for you. So taking control of that schedule and still keeping some sort of routine will help you and your child feel a little bit more structured in that day. And keeping structure helps everyone feel a little bit more stable. Another thing that you have control over is what safety measures you take. So if that means limiting your exposure in public, if that means wearing a mask, if that means knowing how to wash your hands properly and using hand sanitizer. Those are small things that we all have control over that we can do for ourselves and teach our children in language that they understand. The CDC has great resources for how to explain those things to your kids in a kid-friendly way. So how do you talk about germs, how to wash your hands appropriately. Explaining these things to children in a way that they understand helps them feel more empowered. And if your kid's less stressed, you'll probably be less stressed. And finally, if the anxiety is overwhelming, seek out help from a mental health provider. Willowbrook is a great resource. There are also helplines and text lines that you can reach out to for assistance with anxiety related to COVID. Thank you.